Hi Trojans! Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your email. So to get to your email, if you're on a personal device, you're going to want to go to Olympic High School's website, olympic.ckschools.org. Come to Resources, and then you're going to click on the class link icon up at the top. And this just ensures that you are on CK School District's ClassLink. If you are on your school device, then you'll just come up to ckschools.org bookmarks, scroll down the ClassLink, and you're going to log in with your school credentials. And you can go to Gmail through ClassLink, and you just click on it, and it auto-logs you in. So today we're going to be actually looking at my son, who is a 9th grader's email. He gave me permission to use it and to clean it up a little bit. So here's his email. And I'm going to show you how to create labels. So let's say you open your email and he has this email from Miss Park, who is his math teacher. You click on this little box and it brings up these tabs. You click on this labels, scroll down to create new. And I suggest making labels for each class. So period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6. And he has math, period 5. So let's say period 5. And create. And then let's say you also have maybe a project due in class. So let's say he has a huge math project due in class. You can also create a sub label. So you can come up to label, create new, and we'll just label it project. And then you can choose which class is the project. So it's a math project, so period 5, and create. Okay. And then you can move it. So you just make sure you clicked on this box and move to period 5. And over here you can see your labels. So we've already created a period 4 label. There's a period 5 label. If you had a project, you could do that. He plays sports, so we created a sports label. And you could do the sub-labels in each sport that you play. You can also create a label for if you from your counselors. Mrs. Castle here, the librarian, she created an assignment to how to clean up your Chromebook a little bit. So you could put that into maybe make a folder tech help, and you can put it there. Also, you can also click on your calendar over here, and it will take you to your calendar. And I want to open it up. And once the teacher assigns you an assignment, it will show up in your calendar and when it's due. Okay. But also, we want to scroll down. Down here. Okay, and you can also clean up your calendar. So this is his 2019 Fairview calendar. Well, he's not at Fairview anymore, so we're going to erase that. So we're going to just do the delete and unsubscribe and remove that calendar. Because he doesn't need to know what's going on at Fairview anymore. Okay. And then we can come back to his email. Okay, so you clean up your calendars also a little bit and get rid of the ones that you don't need anymore. We just suggest that you make labels so you can organize your email better. Choose a time when it's a good time for you to go through your email. Your first Google Meet is at 9 a.m., so maybe 8:30 you're sitting down at the table and looking through your email and organizing it. Or your last Google Meet ends at 1, so take those 10, 15 minutes to look at your email and clean it out. And I think that is about it. So have a good day.